Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to swap out your speedometer. When I did the odometer swap video, I didn't show you how to take this out. So since I'm changing it again, I'm gonna show you in this video. So this is the one that came with the car originally, and then I upgraded to this one with this design, and then now I got the Vios, the overseas speedometer. So I'm gonna be putting this in and taking the other one out. So what you want to do, pop that out, and then I got a good grip on this. All right, there you go. It's clips, well, tabs. You want to make sure you don't break these. It's a hassle to find a replacement. Take that side out. Take out the top. For the sake of this video, I already took out these two screws. So take out these little tabs. And then it slides right out. So now I'm putting my newest speedometer in here. So pop that into place. There's a tab there to hold it in place. So fit it over the tab. And then hook in the new ones. Well, not hook in the new ones. Connect the harness into the newest one. And what you want to do, make sure it works. So got the key, put it in the arm position. Alright, so it's working. And I swapped the odometer board, if you watched that video, from the original. So now it's showing the original mileage that this car has. And then you just do everything in reverse. And that's it. Alright, see you on the next one.